Sorento's automatic climate control system lets you easily set and maintain the cabin temperature to your liking, so you'll always be in a comfortable atmosphere. For even more personalized comfort, you can even control the temperature for the driver and front passenger separately using the dual mode. Automatic climate control is standard on EX and EXV6 models, and third-row air conditioning controls are standard on EXV6 models. In a moment, we'll show you how to set the automatic temperature control, operate the dual mode functions, control the vents, airflow, and fan speed, defog and defrost the windshield, operate the third-row air conditioning and vent controls. Let's start with the temperature control functions. You can set the temperature inside your Sorento to a consistent temperature by pressing the Auto button. The Auto icon will appear in the display. Adjust the temperature control knob to set the temperature as cool or warm as you like. The temperature you select will be displayed. After setting the desired temperature, the system's full automatic temperature control will adjust the fan speed, air intake, and air conditioning function to reach the set temperature. The system will adjust its functions to maintain that level, keeping the temperature consistently where you set it. If you want to turn off the automatic climate control, simply press the Off button. To turn the air conditioning on manually, press this button. It will light up to indicate that the AC is operating. You can then set the temperature, air intake, and fan speed manually. Press Off to turn the AC off and the indicator light will go out. What if you're behind the wheel and want the temperature to be cooler, but your front passenger would like warmer air? It's easy to accommodate both of you with the dual temperature control mode. First, press the dual button here to operate the driver and passenger side temperature controls individually. Then rotate the temperature control knob on the left to adjust the temperature settings on the driver's side, and rotate the knob on the right side to adjust the temperature setting on the passenger side. Using the individual settings, both front seat occupants can enjoy personalized and consistent temperatures. The temperature selections for both the driver and front passenger will be displayed. Dual mode will also be activated if the passenger side temperature control is adjusted. To turn off dual mode, press the dual button again, and the passenger side temperature will be set the same as the driver's side. Please note, when the driver's side temperature is set to the highest or lowest temperature, dual mode automatically deactivates for maximum heating or cooling. Remember to never place anything over the sensor, located here, to ensure better control of the heating and cooling system. To adjust the fan speed, press the fan speed button up to increase the fan speed or down to reduce the fan speed. The fan speed will appear in the display. You can select which vents the air flows through and the desired configuration by pressing the mode buttons up or down. The configurations appear on the display. For instance, you can warm just your feet, cool just your face, or enjoy your selected temperature from head to toe. In case the inside windshield fogs up, select maximum fan speed and the desired temperature, then press the windshield defroster button here. The windshield defroster button will light up to indicate it has been activated. Turning on the windshield defroster automatically activates the air conditioning and opens the fresh air vents. To help minimize windshield fogging, keep the inside of your window clean. Having the cabin air circulation feature set to fresh air helps prevent fogging, as fresh air is allowed inside the cabin. Drawing fresh air from outside the vehicle reduces built-up humidity in the cabin that fogs the windows and decreases visibility. Allowing for fresh air also helps to reduce any stale or musty smells that may arise in the cabin. If the vehicle is equipped with third-row AC, check the recirculation air button indicator light. If it is on, cabin air is being recycled. Press the button to turn off the indicator light, allowing fresh air to be drawn into the cabin. In cold weather climates, it may be necessary to defrost the front windshield. Operation is the same as defogging, except in this case, set the fan speed to the highest setting and the temperature to the hottest position. The rear defroster heats the window to remove frost, fog, and thin ice from the rear window. To activate the rear window defroster with the engine running, press the rear window defroster button here. The button will light up to indicate the defroster is on. The rear window defroster will automatically turn off after 20 minutes, or when the ignition is turned off. Or simply press the rear window defroster once again to turn it off. Standard on EXV6 models is third-row air conditioning and 2 third-row air vents to keep all your passengers within a comfortable temperature. To turn the third-row air conditioning on, simply press this button. It will light up to indicate it is on, and cool air is directed all the way back here. Your Sorento keeps your passengers in a temperature-controlled, comfortable environment, no matter where they're seated. The vent on the left side allows third-row passengers to manipulate airflow. The vent on the right side can also be adjusted to direct airflow, but it includes a fan speed control as well. There are 3 speed settings, and you can even turn the third-row air conditioning off. The light on the AC rear button up front will go out, or the third-row AC can be turned off from here as well. There you have it, how to operate Sorento's automatic climate control system, from the front seats all the way to the third row. How's that for 7-passenger comfort? To help you get better acquainted with these and other features, always check your owner's manual for complete operating information and safety warnings.